Today, the 15th Al-Muharram 1442, equivalent to the 4th of September 2020, marks the official commissioning of the Jama'atul Izalatul Bid'ah wa Iqamatis Sunnah, founded by late Sheikh Ismail Idris, JIBWIS Jumat Mosque, Kasuwar Shanu, IBB Square, Bauchi, built by the administration of Governor Bala Muhammad. The entire leadership of JIBWIS National Headquarters Jos, led by the Chairman Council of Ulama, Sheikh Sani Haya Jingr, Sheikh Sambo Yusuf Riga Chukung, and other worshippers, defied the afternoon rainfall to welcome the governor's entourage. Sheikh Sani Haya Jingr thanked Governor Bala Muhammad for the gesture and prayed Allah to reward him abundantly, pledging their loyalty and support. In his khutbah, the Imam and Chairman Ulama Council of JIBWIS Bauchi Local Government, Imam Mahmoud Isa Dugri, reminded well-spirited individuals in the society to contribute their wealth and strength towards the development of a religion. As he puts it, anyone who builds a mosque on earth, Allah will build a befitting house for him in Al-Jannah. He commended the governor for the gesture and his leadership style, particularly the execution of developmental projects to the people, saying as ulamas, they will continue to pray for the success of his government. In his speech, Governor Bala Muhammad told the gathering that the mosque was built by the state government as part of his administration's support to religious groups to enable them and their followers worship with ease. The governor then requested religious leaders and people of the state to continue to support his administration with prayers to enable it succeed in the task ahead, as he pledged to continue to consult and partner with relevant stakeholders in moving the state forward. The chief imam of the Jama'atul Izalah Bid'ah wa Iqamatis Sunnah, JIBWIS Jumat Mosque, Kasuwar Shanu, IBB Square, Bauchi, Imam Mahmoud Isa Dugri, led the Jumat prayer to formally signal the commissioning of the mosque. John Habilomore, reporting for BTV News.